welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a spinach and artichoke dip. Very, very simple to make, and it doesn't take a long time. So we are going to use, the ingredients for this will be cream cheese. I use 2 packages of cream cheese. Artichokes, you can get them halved or you can get them diced up. I have 2 cans of those. I have some sour cream here, and then we have some minced garlic that we're going to use. You can use the minced garlic or you can use the one in the store, but they didn't really have any good ones in the store, so we're gonna go with minced. You're gonna use some Parmesan cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and then we have spinach. So when you do your spinach, I like to take it and break off the ends of it, rinse it off, and then put it in the pan for cooking, which we are going to do now. Okay everyone, so the cream cheese, I leave that out at room temperature. It's easier to mix together if it's not cold. You can leave it cold, but I choose not to because it's easier for me to do it like this. So we are going to add our artichokes into our dip here. And I'm making a bigger pan, so I'm using more. Normally you would use 1 can. Okay. Then we are going to put some sour cream in. Normally it's a cup, but because I'm doing a bigger batch, I'm going to use a little more, and I'm not measuring it because I go by sight for consistency. So I put in a little more, and then if you need more, you can add more for the consistency to help mix it up. Then I'm going to put in a teaspoon of the minced garlic. But because I'm doing the bigger batch, I'm going to use a little more. And you can add as much as you want. Just, it's your preference and how garlicky you want it. And you can add different things to this too. You can add jalapenos, bacon, you can add whatever you want on here, and it's really good. And we use naan bread with this, and we use the scoops, everything. Oh, it's fabulous. Anyways, we're gonna put some Parmesan cheese in here. You make it a little cheesier. Oh yeah, there we go. I put extra in there. This stuff does not last long around my house. We use it for card night too, so we have friends that come over and we like to make fun things, so that's what we do. So you can put in a cup of cheese. I'm putting in more because I like cheesy. So I'm using more. Okay, our spinach is boiling. It's been boiling for a few minutes now. So we are gonna go ahead and shut off the stove. And then we are gonna go drain this in the sink here. So what you want to do is let that drain. So you want that to drain, and then I run cold water over it. And then when you're done with that, when it's nice and cool, you have to squeeze out the spinach so that you can at least put it in your dip. Because you don't want to put it in there when it's sopping wet with water. So, yeah, that's good. So you just want to squeeze it. I try to squeeze it out a little bit at a time. You can see all the water squeezing out there. Okay, now that that's done, we are going to walk it over here, and then we are going to put it in our bowl here. And then we're gonna get ready to stir it. But you also want to preheat your oven to 350. So I'm gonna do that right now. Just so when it's ready, we can get it in there. And then now you just stir it. This is a really, really good appetizer. Sometimes we eat this just for dinner, just because it's so easy to make and everybody likes it. Okay, I'm going to use a masher. It's going to be easier to mix it up. Because you just want to get that all mixed up in there really good. And make sure that you get it all. This stuff is so good. I love it with extra cheese on it. Amazing. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. It is free. Put in the comments what you think and let me know if you have any ideas or different ways that I can do things, and I'll be sure to try to get to where I can make all the stuff that you guys are showing me. I want to say thank you to everybody who has viewed and subscribed to my page. I do appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to making some more videos and sending them out to everybody. And I think that we are going to have a fun time cooking together. Okay, so now we're going to put the spinach dip into a 9x13 pan, just so that we can, like I said, I'm making a bigger batch. And then I want to get all of this out and in the pan here. And then we're going to spread it around, kind of even it out a little bit. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, and then I know I already added cheese and stuff, but I like to add some more cheese on top. So we are going to add some more mozzarella cheese, because you want it to brown on the top and you want it to be really cheesy when you pull it out. And then you want to spread it around, get it on there evenly. Remember, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. It is free. And there, that looks beautiful. And now we're going to put some more Parmesan cheese on the top. It'll kind of help it brown a little bit. And then we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook for, I let it cook for a little about an hour or so to let it brown. Okay, now we're just going to let this cook for about an hour. And watch it get real brown and real cheesy, yummy, gooey.
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me.
Okay, so now that we have our
Been an
spinach and
awful
artichoke
good
dip,
girl, Santa
you can
baby,
use
so
non-red
hurry
or
down
you
the
can use
chimney
the jets.
tonight.
I like both of them, so I think I'm going to try the bread first.
Santa baby,
I like
a
the fact that it's
54
just
convertible
nice, steamy,
to
hot.
light blue.
This is just
I'll wait
amazing.
up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
That's what it looks like on the non-bread. Again, thank you for watching my channel, from my table to yours. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Remember that it is free. And we have some more great recipes coming out soon. Thank you, and